Hey, it's Brent with more of your responses to nice hair. Okay, the first one is, yep, and I'm looking for a great girl who has amazing hair, just like yours. Okay, so I'm not sure how you mean this actually. So I don't know if that's an insult to her, like, yep, and I'm looking for a girl who has amazing hair, just like yours. Or if you're complimenting her, so I'm not sure. So here's what I would just do. I think this is better. Yep, and I'm actually looking for a girl who has as amazing hair as I do. Do you know any? Can you point me in the right direction? Right, so that's even better. All right, and then you go on here. Imagine what our kids would look like. Probably like even more amazing hair than me. Like, you know, I mean, I don't know about with your hair involved because your hair's not that amazing, but mine certainly is. And so my genes would probably take over and they'd have amazing hair, okay? So you could say something like that if you're gonna say that. So again, I don't want it to be like, imagine what our kids would look like together because you also have amazing hair. Remember, this isn't about complimenting them. So you don't want to give them any interest at all. Okay? They're the ones interested in you, which is why they're testing you. So you don't give all your interest right away, right? You know, you let it out in small pieces, okay? So it's only because of your hair, right? Like that the kids would look amazing. It's not because of her hair. So imagine what our kids would look like with my hair being so amazing. That's a good one, right? Imagine what our kids would look like with my hair being as amazing as it is. That's awesome. Okay. And you go on, you have more hair. And if you buy me a drink, I'll let you run your fingers through it. No, you might let her. Remember? I might let you. Might. We'll see. Maybe. Remember, you're not a sure thing. You never commit to anything. Remember, it's not about committing. The moment you commit, she will commit to someone else. Okay? Do not commit. Okay? So, and if you buy me a drink, I might let you run your fingers through it. Maybe. We'll see, right? Like, it's like that. It's like, you know what? I don't know. Buy me a drink and I'll think about it, right? I'll roll it over in my mind and see if I actually want to allow you to do that, okay? That's more of the idea. Or, this is you, again, wow, I'm really aroused. Yeah, exactly. So if it's a definitely insult, nice hair, right? Like, wow, I'm so aroused right now. I'm really aroused. Is that how you arouse all the men that you like, that you want to hook up with, right? Tell her, is that how you do it when you want to hook up with a guy as sexy as me? Okay? And if she goes, no, that's not what I'm doing. Well, look, women want to hook up with me all the time, and that's usually kind of what they say. Okay? Awesome. And then you go on. But don't start thinking about having sex with me, because that won't be happening for at least the next 10 minutes. Okay? Again, yeah, so don't even think about having sex with me, because that won't be happening, you know, unless you're really, really good at talking me into it, or unless you play your cards right, or unless you jump through 5 more hoops or whatever. So I wouldn't say for at least the next 10 minutes. I wouldn't do that at all. Because that means that, you know, at least, and maybe after 10 minutes it might happen. So there's kind of a might there, but I'd rather say, you know, if you play your cards right. Possibly. You know, don't even think about right now having sex with me, because that's not going to be happening in this very moment, unless, you know, you have something else to say for yourself that's even more unique or more sexy, or you talk me into it, or you jump through these 5 hoops, okay? All right, so on to the next one. Thanks for noticing. I'm glad you like it. That's my standard. Okay, I like that, right, like, thanks for noticing. Everything's thanks for noticing. Yeah, nice hair. Thanks for noticing. Yeah, glad you like it. Anyway, so what's going on over here? What are you guys up to? What's on the agenda for tonight? You know, what's happening? What else are you guys noticing? Right? Like, yeah, thanks for noticing. Just take it in stride. It's a great compliment. Right? It's an awesome compliment. Routine one for you, but you have great compliments coming to you all the time. All right, so move on to the next one. Okay, so perhaps the simplest response would be to say, thanks. And just continue with opening the set of girls you were presumably talking to. But if one or more of the girls continue to be difficult with you, I would just move on and look to meet other people. And by other people, I mean literally other people, as that could include other girls. Hey, there's plenty of fish, plenty of girls in the sea of people. Yes, exactly. Right? So it's just, thanks anyway. Right? Thanks. thanks anyway. Where are you guys from? Right? Like just bam, you take it in stride. You're absolutely right about that. That's awesome. Just take everything in stride. Thanks anyway. What are you guys drinking? Thanks anyway. Where are you girls from? Thanks anyway. What's on the agenda for tonight? Thanks. Anyway, I saw you staring at me from across the room. I'm over here now. What are you guys gonna do? Right. Awesome. Okay. Good. Good. Okay. Okay. The next one is. I know that. What else? Right. Like just, yeah, I know that. What else? Yeah, like, okay. And wait, you know, everybody in this freaking room knows that I have nice hair. Is that all you can come up with? Does that line usually work for you? Like, seriously? That's all you've got? Like, what else? Come on. I'm listening. But I'm only going to stand here for, like, you got about 3 seconds before I move on to other women. Okay? Right? Awesome. Super powerful, right? I know that. I'm aware of that. And I'm aware of that. What else? What else you got to say for yourself? Put them on the spot, right? They're putting you on the spot. Put them on the spot, right? Put it in their court. Always put it back in their court. Well, what do you got? What do you have to say for yourself? I'm sorry, but that's not sexy enough. I got to move on and talk to other people. And then you would be doing what? Like, what? Is that it? Like, seriously? That's it? That's all you've got? Okay, man. You know, I gave you a couple chances, but chances are over. I got to move on now. Okay? Great. Awesome. Okay, next one. Okay. All right, I'm going to end on this one. It says, yeah, I have it to turn nosy onlookers away. Love that. Right, right. Yeah, I know. I have it to turn noisy onlookers away. Right? Right? Hair this sexy is so intimidating that I understand what you're going through. I mean, your hair is less nice than mine, and basically what usually happens is you notice the hair, it intimidates you immediately, and then, you know, and then you leave me alone, which is what I actually want. I want you to leave me alone, okay? Right? I know, you know, just accept my hair. It's next level, it's sexy, you know, it turns you on, you wish you had hair like it, but you don't. So, you know, move along. All right, anyway, listen, great stuff. Send me more responses and I'll make more videos. And if you'd like to learn how to pass any shit test a woman could give you and build irresistible attraction, go to nomoreshittest.com. Talk to you later.